Dear audience and my dear students, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm fine too, by the grace of Allah, who is Almighty and most merciful. Thank you very much for being here. So today, right now, I'm going to tell you a good topic. Basically, I'm going to teach you a good teach that I want to say something about time, the importance of time or the value of time. Do you know what's the importance of time in a life? Okay, I'm saying time. This is the most valuable thing in your life. Okay, you have to use the time properly in a proper way. You won't be able to be successful in your life without using your time properly. Some people say that time is money. I can get it back again and again. I can buy my time. But no, you have to mind it. You have to know that time was gone is gone forever. A proverb goes that time and tide wait for done. Time and tide wait for none. It won't come back. So use your time properly. If you see the wise people in Bangladesh or in the world, you will know that they have used their time properly. Okay? So you have to mind it. You will get back your mobile phone, or you will get back your books, you will get back your friends, or you will get back anything you have if you lose it once. But time once gone is gone forever. So I wanna say use your time properly in a proper way. Inshallah, you will be successful. You will succeed in your life. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you once again. Allah Hafiz.